What's up, guys? Joe from 450 Sports. We're about to do break number 256 out of Vivi, which is a double box of OPC Platinum. These are the two boxes. Just want to show you guys the box are sealed. So here we go, guys. Good luck, everybody. There is 20 packs per box, 4 cards per pack, 1 guaranteed autograph. Good luck, bonne chance to loan 20 packs. Here we go. First 20 packs, box empty. And just lower the camera so you guys can see only the packs and not my ugly face. Here we go. First pack. All right. First hit. Again, guys, the same rules as usual. Those will only be sent if you have other hits. All right, because we won't ship to everybody. Those cards are just only regular inserts. First, we have a black ice number 225, Jonathan Bernier with the Leafs. And for those who are located near our shop, just pass by the store and we'll give you your hits if you want the base cards. Retro Jason Spezza for Dallas. You have a base pack. No, sorry, you have foil. Yeah, foil. Ducks. Ryan Kessler. Ooh. Kessler. We have a black retro, number 200 of Joe Pavelski for the Sharks. Ah ouais. Retro rookie, Duclair, Anthony Duclair for the Rangers. Ils sont vieux ici, ils sont collés. We have a foil, no, yeah, foil, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Ouais, s'il te plaît. C'est que j'ai de commentaires, tu veux dire. We have a blue Ice Cube, number 265, Curtis Lazar. C'est beau, c'est beau, c'est beau. Je viens de détailler. Alright, retro rookie, Darnell Nurse for the Oilers. So again, the insert rookies will be shipped only for your hits if you have other hits. Claude Giroux, foil for the Flyers. Ouais, vous avez, comment il s'appelle déjà celui-là? Trax, c'est ça, Trax, vas-y, Anthrax. Trax, Devils, Adam Henrique. Trax. Foil, retro, Jonathan Bernier for Maple Leafs. Foil rookie for the Blues of Yuri Leterra. Nice. It's a black autograph number 299, Nashville Predators, Calle Yarncroc. Number 299. Retro of Lundqvist for the Rangers. Foil, Red Wings, Pavel Datsyuk. Retro, Ovechkin. 4 packs left, 4 paquets. We have a red, number 135, Ryan Nugent-Hopkins. Retro of Datsyuk for the Red Wings. 2 packs. Die cut legend, Platinum legend of Jean Béliveau for the Canadiens. And the last pack of box number 1 is a foil for the Flyers of Steve Mason. Alright, this was box number 1. On to box number 2. Again, another 20 packs. Here we go. First, we have a retro foil of Seth Jones, the Preds. And we have a retro of Bufflin for the Jets.
Big book.
Big Buff. And a Platinum Legend die-cut Red Wings of Steve Yzerman. Stevie Y. We have a foil rookie of Sam Reinhart for the Sabres. We have a retro rookie of Chris Tierney.
Who?
Chris Tierney. Tierney.
Sharks.
Red number 2, 135 Jim Howard for the Red Wings. And we have another retro of Jonathan Bernier, starting a collection of Jonathan Bernier. Foil of Martin St. Louis, the Rangers. Foil of Jimmy Howard for the Red Wings. So still waiting for the auto. Retro of Tyler Seguin, Stars. We have a foil of Patrick Sharp for the Blackhawks, and a red number 135.
Joe Weiss.
Nishushkin. Qui sont deux jusqu'en finale en plus. Retro rookie. Ah oui. Retro rookie of Wenberg. Ah, il ne changera pas de keep. Il a plus besoin de keep. We have a white ice number 199 Sidney Crosby. Another white ice 199 Patrick Kane, the Blackhawks. So back-to-back good players. The blue rookie number 265 of Derek Pouliot.
Ice Cubes.
Ice Cubes. Or comment il s'appelle pour le vrai, Ice Blue Ice.
Ouais.
Retro of Zetterberg. 4 packs left. Still waiting for the auto. We have a foil of Andrzej Palat. Go Bolts go. Tracks of Jimmy Howard. Wow, Jimmy Howard is everywhere. 2 packs. 1 auto still missing. Foil of David Perron for the Oilers. And last pack. Oh, auto. Mirko Mueller for the Sharks. Not numbered. Alright guys, there we go. Break number 256. So make sure you check out our Facebook page. We have a lot of breaks upcoming, including a multi-box with only a couple teams left. And we have a lot of other stuff like giveaways and other things. So thanks guys for watching. And a case of trilogy incoming. Thanks guys.